much for tuning into my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you another one of my favorite curly hair routines, and this time I will be using Aveda products. This is not a sponsored video. I have purchased every single product and I just want to show you the results that I get by using them. So if you want to find out how to get these curls, then keep on watching. So this is day 3 hair, hence the reason you're looking at this mess. As you can see, it's dry, it's in desperate need of moisture, and I'm going to show you the products that will help with that. So let's get into it. Let me show you which products I will be using today. So as a shampoo, I'm going to be using Pureology's Nano Works Gold Shampoo. This is for dry hair. I absolutely love this shampoo. First of all, it smells incredible. I always get so many compliments when I use this. People are always like, oh my goodness, you smell so good. What's that perfume? But little do they know that it's the shampoo. This is a great shampoo for dry hair and especially color treated hair. As you guys can see, I have highlights in my hair. I love putting in highlights, but it definitely dries my hair out. I like the shampoo because not only is it moisturizing, but it also kind of brightens up my highlights a little bit. So I get like a really nice golden look when I use this, and it's not too heavy, which is perfect for my hair texture. So great product. So for my conditioner, I will be using Aveda's Nutriplenish Deep Moisture Mask. Once again, another great product. It is on the heavier side, so I don't use a lot of it. I use it very sparingly, and I also leave it in my hair only for 2 minutes. And I think that's what they recommend. My hair just feels a lot softer and just looks healthier. So for styling, these are the products I will be using. Once again, another Aveda product. So this is the Nutriplenish Leave-In Conditioner. This is a great product for detangling. I absolutely love it, and it does make the detangling process a lot easier. Now, after I apply the leave-in spray, I will use the Be Curly Curl Enhancer, also by Aveda. It definitely gives my hair a lot more definition. I don't use a lot of this because, as you know, creams don't really do well with my hair. I find that it weighs my hair down. And as you can see, I have like fine curly hair. It's not thick by any means. So I have to be very careful with how much cream I use in my hair. So I use this very sparingly, but I do love the results. It definitely defines my curls a lot better. Now for my gel, I will be using the Flaxseed Aloe Stronghold Sculpting Gel. Once again, this is another great product from Aveda. I love this gel. Its consistency is very liquidy. It feels like water. Like it's just like, I love gels that have that super runny consistency. I find that they don't weigh my hair down. I will be using this brush to detangle my hair. I won't be using the Easy Detangler today. I like to change it up every now and then. So I've always been a fan of wide tooth combs. These are great for detangling. All right, so I am going to jump into the shower and I will see you guys in a bit. So I just got out of the shower. Let's get started with the styling process. So what I like to do first is I like to section my hair. I start in the back, separate the curls a little bit. I find that when I like section my hair, I get a more like fuller result. Usually I would detangle with the Easy Detangler, but not today. Today I'm just going to do the good old rake and scrunch method. First step is I'm going to apply some of this leave-in conditioner from Aveda. Once again, you don't need a lot. One side and then here. Just a little bit, a little spray. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the Aveda Be Curly Curl Enhancing Cream. So right here, I apply approximately like a dime-sized amount. Don't go crazy with this. It is a cream. It has the potential to weigh your hair down if you apply too much. So once again, I go in like this and I just apply it all over. You can apply it using the praying hands method. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Once again, a dime-sized amount. And I'm going to go in with the praying hands method. The next step is we're going to apply our hair gel. With this gel, you're going to apply approximately like a dime size amount per section, okay? So once again, it's just like this, and you can see it is very runny, very liquidy. I love it. Okay, so we're gonna start in the back. And if you watched my other videos, you know that I love the rake and scrunch method. So we're gonna do that, okay? We're going to repeat this process for the entire section, okay? So once again, small sections, rake, and scrunch. Now sometimes if you have like dry patches, you can just go in and just finger style that patch. Once again, rake and scrunch. Now, without the easy detangler, I will admit it is harder to do the rake and scrunch method because you will find that it's not as smooth. Okay, the surface isn't as smooth, but that's okay. We try our best, okay? At the top here, you might need to coax the curls a little bit more. And what I mean by that is you're going to have to go in and do some finger styling, okay? And scrunch up. So you want to apply a little bit of water every now and then, just so that you don't run the risk of applying too much product and it weighing your hair down. So comment below if you have found a hair gel that you really like. I'm always on the lookout for gels. I find it's hard to find good gels, you know, like I know a handful that I really like. And I think soon I want to do a video on my top 5 favorite hair gels. And apply more water as needed. Once again, rake and scrunch. And finger curl. So you want to make sure that you hear that squishy noise. That means that you have enough water in your hair. So yeah, I'm gonna go in and just apply more hair gel. Okay, so I'm going to repeat the same process on this side. Rake through and then scrunch up. So now as a final step, I'm going to apply some more gel, okay? Like a quarter size amount, and I'm going to mix it with some water. I'm just gonna flip my hair forward. So now that the hair has been prepped and primed, now we're gonna go and diffuse dry. So I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so now we're going to diffuse dry. So a few things about diffuse dry. You want to make sure you set it to medium heat, low setting. You do not want to blow a lot of air at once. That will just cause frizz. All right, and let's get started. We're gonna start first by flipping your hair forward, and then we're gonna go this way, and then flip it that way, and then repeat until your hair is completely dry. All right, so let's go.
Do
90% dry. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna let it air dry for the remainder of the time. And I'm going to use these little root clips to add a little bit more volume at the root. So I'm gonna put them in like this. I like to put them like in the back here where I get a lot of flat spots. Okay, so I'm just gonna put them strategically like so. Guys, I am literally sweating. It is so hard. This is hard work. Styling curly hair is hard work. It's a work of art, let me tell you. Okay, and then right here. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do my makeup. I leave these in for about 10 minutes or so, or 20 minutes, however long you want. And also this allows time for the hair to kind of just settle in. And then as a final step, I'm gonna go ahead and just scrunch everything out just to soften up the curls. Okay, so I'll see you guys in about 10 minutes. All right, guys, so it's been about 20 minutes since I've had these clips in my hair. And so now I'm gonna take them out, and as a final step, we're gonna do a little scrunching and a little bit of shaking. So let's do it. I love doing this step because it definitely like softens up the curls. You need to break up the curls a little bit as a final step, because if not, you're gonna end up with like really crunchy curls, and we don't want that. We want nice, big, soft curls. I really love these root clips. They are definitely a game changer. I've been using them for years. They are awesome. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna flip our head forward and begin scrunching. So all you're doing is just scrunching out the crunch. That's it. All right, and now what you're gonna do is you're gonna give the roots a little bit of a shake for added volume. So let's go ahead and do that. Right, so what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Okay, so just let me tell you what I think of this gel. Okay, so I absolutely love the Aveda liquid gel. I will say that I don't get as much volume as I do with my other gels that I have featured in other videos. But having said that, I do love the definition that I get. Yeah, there's definitely a lot more definition, I find, this product. The only thing is you have to kind of wait it out a little bit. So like in a few hours, my hair will probably have dried even more, and I might do another shake and a little bit more scrunching just to get more volume. But honestly, like I love the results, which is why I decided to do a video featuring these products. So I'm gonna turn around so you guys can have a look. All right, guys, thank you so much for having watched another one of my videos. Please comment, like, subscribe, share with your curl friends. And yeah, thank you so much for everything, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye. You make me feel so